We wouldn't deny that the teenage is an era of our lives where we make delicate decisions. And these decisions we make either makes us or mar us. Looking at the 21st century, you would understand that there's a lot of distractions in the social media age for teenagers and kids. So how do we manage these students and these teenagers to bring their best in the society? Knowing fully well that these students or these teenagers are not just the better Nigeria we were talking about. They are the better future we are all hoping to see. The We Read Book Club is organizing a 3-day summer camp experience for kids and teenagers between the age of 8 to 17. It's going to be a 3 days transformational experience. It's 3 days away from home to learn courses and training to prepare them for this time we're all living in. The teaching covers self-esteem, understanding peer pressure and knowing how to manage peer pressure as a teenager, understanding gender crisis, and a lot more teachings for your kids. But that's not all. We're also preparing them to become an excellent kid for the next academic section. But wait on, hold on, that's not still all. There's going to be a 4 training section, amazing section for your kids that cuts across photography, content writing, public speaking, and graphics design. These are keys that will prepare your child for the now and for also the future. So dear parents or guardian watching this video, truly this is the best investment you could ever give to your kid or your teenagers. Because if we don't train these children now, we're going to blame them in the future. And we're all striving for a better society. What makes a better society are better kids.